calling Hellscape Hotel. This is Francesca. How may I help you?
I would like to reserve a room.
Okay, can I have your full name, please?
My full name is Jalad S. Rosilas.
Thanks. I would like to know the exact date and time of your arrival and how long you plan to stay. Would you like to be picked up at the airport?
We plan to go there on 4th of July, and we plan to stay there in 3 days and 2 nights.
Great. I will make sure to note that. How many are you, ma'am?
A family of 2 adults and 1 child.
Great. We have several rooms that are still available, and I highly suggest that you get our deluxe room for 3,500 per night, which can accommodate 2 people with 1 extra bed and a free breakfast at our restaurant.
Great, I will have the deluxe room that you suggested.
Good choice. I double check its availability on our side, and I'm glad to let you know that it is available on your preferred date and time. Now I would like to get additional information to fill your reservation. Would you mind providing me your contact number and email address?
Sure, it's 0912-161-855, and my email address is jalad@gmail.com.
Okay, thank you. Do you happen to have any special requests, perhaps any dietary restrictions?
No, thanks for asking.
Okay, what would be your preferred mode of payment, ma'am? Is it cash, company charge, or credit card?
Cash.
Okay, may I repeat your reservation? You get our deluxe room for 3,500 per night. That has an inclusion with free extra bed and a free breakfast at our restaurant. Please tell me if there are mistakes in the reservation details so that I can correct them immediately.
No, everything's fine.
Okay, you will receive a confirmation email in a short while. Meanwhile, here are our house rules. Our standard check-in time is at 3 p.m. and check-out is at 11 a.m. To confirm your booking, we require a 50% advance deposit. Late cancellations or no shows up may result in a fee equivalent to 1 night stay. Okay, please expect a confirmation call on the actual day before your arrival time.
Okay, great.
Is there anything else that I can help you with?
No, that will be all.
Okay, once again, thank you for choosing our hotel. Have a relaxing travel, and we are looking forward to your safe travel. Bye for now!
Mabuhay Padilla, good afternoon and welcome to Sia Hotel. My name is Franz and I will be your butler attendant. May I have your room card, please? Your room is located at the third floor of the building. May I assist you with your luggage, ma'am?
No, I can manage.
Okay, please. Is this your first time in our hotel, ma'am?
Yes.
We're glad that you choose to spend your whole stay in the city in our hotel. We'll make sure that your whole stay is relaxing as possible.
Okay, great.
We have arrived at the third floor, ma'am. As you can see on your right is our recreational area with an infinity pool and activity area. We have also a restaurant both on the second and top floor that serves different cuisines.
Okay.
We have arrived at your room, ma'am. Yours is a deluxe room complete with luxuries and amenities, a hot and cold shower operating 24 hours, and medicine kit located at the side of the door just near the light switch.
Okay, great.
Please follow me. And here is the evacuation plan for emergency purposes with emergency exit located at the edge of the floor spout. You have also a mini bar with a collection of food items and beverage that can be consumed and will be charged during checkout. You have also a telephone with a telephone directory for your convenience.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like me to open the curtain to let some lights in, ma'am?
Sure.
Is there anything else that I can assist you with?
Nothing for now.
Whenever you need something else, just dial 0 on your phone for the front office.
Okay, thanks.
I would like you to once again welcome you to Hestia Hotel. Your comfort is our priority. Bye for now.
Bye.
Housekeeping!
Come in.
Good morning, my name is Erica and I'm here to collect your items to be landed. Let me check first the landed items, ma'am. 2 pair of shirts, 1 undergarment, and 1 scarf.
That will be okay.
When would you like me to deliver your landed items, ma'am?
At 4 p.m.
Okay, your landed items, ma'am, will be delivered around 4 p.m. Thank you for your time. Bye for now. Housekeeping!
Come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am here to deliver your landed items. Where would you like me to put your landed items, ma'am? On the bed or inside the closet?
Inside the closet.
I would like to present your receipt, ma'am. How would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? Is it cash or debit card?
Just charges to my room.
Okay, ma'am. Please affix your signature here for confirmation. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. If there anything else that you need, just dial 0 on our room service. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.
Imagine na gold thing. Yung bed making. Or individual yun.
Okay, then.
One na.
Nari ba ang music?
Ay, dito mo ba ang tubang ano? Dapat dito ko dapat ko.
Sige na.
Sige na lang mo.
Pasabot naman na sisiyan.
Tagalan, tagalan. Tagalan, tagalan. Thank you for calling. Escape Hotel. Escape Hotel, get mo yung number.
Tulog.
Or thank you for calling Busy Time.
Library. Rajasthan.
This is
Happy unti din ako.
Uy, buray.
Tuna day.
Okay, can I have your phone? It's on guess.
Si Jerich.
Okay, can I have your phone, please?
Ako din kita rin.
Okay, I would like to know the exactly the time of your arrival and how long you plan to stay. Would you like me to pick up?
Asa si Franz? Si Franz din.
Plus si Franz, i-chat ninyo.
Ay, tapin mo ba sa iyo?
Nagkaon ako.
Okay, we have several visitors today. Say hi, it's just a few
Pwede siguro idol-doon ay para makita.
Ayun lang, kapila ng kilit.
Gihutoy ang cameraman. Kita ba siguro na ay?
Ito na lang. Ayun, di kapila ng si kilit na yun. Iya dali pakita dahil kay pangit dali dahil.
Trina day.
Huwag ka 6, mga gumida na po ako 3 minutes.
Ice.
Tilo na lang ako, ano.
Sorry, good.
Hindi, hindi makalat, bago na yun.
Ayaw, di man siya makita.
Dili. Ayun na ipagkita sa taas.
Ba't na yun, isod diri yung magiging siya. Doon lang ko ha. Sama siya eh. Si Sir ba nalibog na ko na yung cameraman. Luhag kayo.
Pandol ka ba yung tamag? So, gulit balik kami.
Ipakahig day. Iana ba? Paana?
Ano ko lang yung
Kiburot kaayo.
What ba? Pagasun ka. Ano na?
Makita gud ka siya do burot kaayo. Anaon man siya day oh. Iana ba? Ipaana? Bragputla.
Dara. Ay, ako na isod din niya.
Anong dili ka
Ay, sabi
ma-perfect.
lang. Dito sa ka, dito ka sa dito ka. Isbon ako ni.
Five na ba yun? 6 na.
6 na? 6.
6:20.
Kailan mo?
5:30 pa bitawi dali para di mamtag 6:30. Sige, go. Ba't ka man tayo background music, di ba? Baliktad lagi yung...
Mama, na dahil pidala ang door. Dapat sa door siya
Ay.
magkilid ang... Nabaliktad na siya.
Okay na.
Ini ko siya.